Looks like someone called you had a busy August. Well, thanks for watching, cool dudes. Fellow book lovers might wish to know what books I read in August. Two, pretty good achievement. First of all, I Captured the Castle by Dodie Smith, who wrote 101 Dalmatians. This might be my favourite book of the year so far. It's a bit like an Anne of Green Gables set in England about a girl who lives in a castle with her slightly peculiar family. It is charming. Imagine how charming I am and times that by 3. Pretty good. The next book was The Solitaire Mystery by Jostein Gardner. It's about a journey a kid goes on with his dad across Europe trying to find his mum, and there's a sort of weird fantasy backstory, if you will. At times I loved it, at times I wasn't so keen on it. I can't really explain how I feel. Anyway, that is it. I hope you have a great September or whatever month you're in. See you later. Nice one.